Does your traditional sales processes feel like a grueling marathon rather than a swift sprint? The answer is simple: outdated methods and lack of technological integration. In this digital age, modernizing your sales process is not just an option, but a necessity. Imagine a world where every salesperson on your team closes larger deals quicker and with better win rates. This is now a standard many companies are working towards, and doing nothing is no longer feasible as the fast outcompetes the slow. It all starts with honing in on areas that slow down your sales processes. With your customer data consolidated into one platform, as outlined in part 1 of this series, you can now streamline operations in several ways. First, consider adopting a Configure Price Quote, or CPQ tool. By ensuring quotes are built with accurate product configurations and approved pricing, you're reducing mistakes and preventing revenue leakage. Additionally, CPQ tools can facilitate upselling and cross-selling, giving your sales a much-needed boost. Another key step is integrating a rebate management tool with your quoting process. This provides visibility into applicable rebate programs, enabling sellers to include the right program in the quote seamlessly. Next, utilize Generative pre-trained transformer capabilities to extract insights from your enterprise data and create personalized communications and call summaries. Remember, automation is your friend. By automating workflows, you're allowing sellers to consistently apply best practices at every stage of the sales process, saving precious time and making the process smoother for your sales team and prospects alike. Don't forget to apply analytics and AI to your data. This provides actionable insights and recommendations that help your sellers maximize every sale. These insights include lead and opportunity scoring, personalized next best actions, customer propensity to buy insights by product, and even likelihood to close predictions. And the benefit? Once the prospect has accepted the quote, your sales team can automatically capture the terms of the deal in a sales agreement. This modernized process makes your sales team more efficient and productive, allowing them to focus on the leads, opportunities, and actions that drive success. But the benefits of modernizing your sales process don't stop there. It also sets you up to better manage the order-to-cash and revenue management processes in the next phase, reducing revenue and margin leakage in the selling process. Now, let's talk more about AI. As workforce populations shift with boomers retiring, manufacturers are hiring new customer and product professionals. AI can help make them more productive faster and can benefit your seasoned team members too. In this context, AI will use available data to recognize patterns and make predictions, giving sales reps better insight into their best leads and where to dedicate their efforts for better sales success. For your sales teams, AI can empower in various ways, including lead and opportunity scoring, recommended next best action, predictive forecasting, and conversation insights. So why wait? Speak to us to learn more about how AI and modern systems and processes will transform your sales processes.